Could you build a jetpack using fire extinguishers? Surprisingly, the answer isn't obvious.
This is Vector Lab.
Today's question, can you build a jetpack using fire extinguishers? Let's break it down.
Thrust isn't magic. If you push mass in one direction, you move in the opposite direction. That's why rockets work, and why balloons fly across the room.
A rocket works the same way. It throws mass downward at high speed, and the reaction force pushes it up. So the real question is, every rocket follows the same rule. Thrust equals how much mass you throw out times how fast you throw it. That's it. A typical CO2 fire extinguisher releases roughly half a kilogram of gas per second at around 20 meters per second. So let's plug that in. Multiplying those together gives us roughly 10 newtons of thrust. For reference, an average person weighs about 700 newtons. So we're off by a factor of 70. 10 newtons is enough to lift about 1 kilogram. That's an apple. But I weigh about 70 kilograms.
If one extinguisher produces 10 newtons and I need about 700, that's 70 extinguishers to just barely hover.
70 extinguishers. That's not a jetpack. That's a fire department. Each extinguisher weighs around 8 kilograms, so 70 of them adds more than 500 kilograms, which means we now need even more thrust. To fly efficiently, you don't just need more mass. That's why rockets burn fuel at thousands of meters per second. A rocket's exhaust can exceed 3,000 meters per second. That's over 100 times faster than a fire extinguisher, and thrust scales with velocity. Could you build a jetpack using fire extinguishers? Not realistically. The exhaust velocity is simply too low. And that's today's experiment. Thanks for watching Vector Lab. I'll see you in the next episode.